Add 1 cup of water into a pan. Then add 2 tablespoons of flaxseed and let it boil for a few minutes. Flaxseed benefits hair by promoting growth, strengthening strands, and improving scalp health due to its omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and antioxidants. It adds shine, reduces frizz, and prevents hair loss by nourishing follicles and moisturizing hair. Now add 1 tablespoon rice flour and let it on the heat for a few more minutes. We don't need very thick or thin consistency. In ancient Korea, rice was widely used for hair care due to its nourishing properties. Rice water, rich in vitamins, minerals, and amino acids, was used as a rinse to strengthen hair, promote growth, and add shine. It also helped improve scalp health and reduce dandruff. Now strain all the gel. Using this gel can help straighten hair naturally while improving its overall health. It smooths hair cuticles, reduces frizz, and adds shine, making hair appear straighter and more manageable. Add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and mix it really well. You can use this type of bottle as it'll help to apply gel on your hair without even any mess. Apply all over your hair, then leave it for an hour and then wash it with a gentle shampoo. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe, share, and see you in the next video.